The title of the video is An Ordinary Forex Trader Explains His Trading Method. An ordinary Forex trader explains his trading method. In this video, I want to share with traders, my Forex trading method. And I hope this will help you also to improve your day trading and your swing trading. What am I looking for? What am I doing when I'm trading Forex? What are the steps that I'm taking? What are the verifications that I'm performing? I want to share it with you so you also can avoid common trading mistakes. When I start trading fast Forex, my friends, I made a lot of trading mistakes like new traders. So over the year, I was looking for things that can work in this messy Forex market. So I developed a strategy that I follow, steps that I follow to avoid violating the market protocols. All right. So there are some principles that are called market stable data. These are things that remain intact in this chaotic Forex market. So I invite you to watch the full length of this video and to pay attention carefully to everything that I'm saying here. If you disagree with me, don't forget what I said, even if you disagree with me. Maybe later on it will make sense to you, and if it makes sense to you in the future, you may come back and watch this video. If you have any question, put it below. You have any comment, put it below, and I will get back to you. Let's get started, my friend. The time in London, is 11 a.m. on the 22nd of July, 2015. This is a live recording on the 22nd of July, 2015. As you can see, 10 minutes past 11 in London, right here. In New York, 10 minutes past 6 a.m. Let's get started. What am I looking for? Now we are looking at the euro-dollar currency pair. According to my trading strategy, when I'm trading Forex as a Forex trader, the first currency pair that I look at when I'm trading any other financial and any other currency pair is the euro-dollar currency pair. Right? So I've been talking about that over the year, at Joe Trio channel, at 24 Forex Trader channel, at Day Pro Trader channel, at 24 Area Wave channel, So I'm looking at the euro dollar all the time. Number one, I want to check what's happening with the euro dollar before I check any other currency pair. So this is one of the tips you need to remember. So what am I looking for? I like to see the yearly chart. Very, very important. So if I'm trading any financial instrument, and I don't see the yearly chart, I don't want to trade it. That's why I don't record videos about commodity, because I don't have the yearly chart. I want to see the yearly chart. So I'm using here the TC2000 on the yearly chart. I showed traders recently that I was telling traders this is the number one or the biggest Forex trading mistake, or trading mistake in fact, is the violation of the market patterns. There are three market patterns: the rising channel, the declining channel, and the horizontal channels. I don't want to violate the market pattern. That's the number one biggest trading mistakes. So I'm checking fast the euro dollar. I want to see the market pattern. I want to know the market pattern on the higher time frame. I will check the market pattern on every time frame. So if I'm on a yearly chart, I want to know what is the market pattern on the yearly chart. If I'm on a weekly chart, I want to know the market pattern on the weekly chart. If I'm on a 1 minute chart, I don't want to violate the market patterns on any time frame. If I'm on a 2 hour chart, I don't want to violate the market pattern, because this is the biggest Forex trading mistake, or in fact, it's the biggest trading mistakes. The second thing that I want to check, if for instance I receive a buy signal, suppose I receive a buy signal here, I want to make sure that my buy signal is taking place at the support level. If I receive a sell signal, I want to make sure that the signal is taking place, a sell signal is taking place at the resistance level. So number one, I don't want to violate the market pattern. Number two, I want my bullish signal to be in the bullish zone, and I want my bearish signal to be in the bearish zone. If you want to know more about trading zone, go to stochasticmarket.com. So you see the first step, checking the euro dollar currency pair. Number 2, I don't want to violate the market pattern. Number 3, I don't want my signal to be at the wrong place. You may see the best signal. You may be using a trading system. You receive a sell signal, buy signal. But if the signal is at the wrong place, it can be a big issue. Okay? All right? The third thing that I don't want to violate is what, my friend? I don't want to use a single time frame. So for instance, if I'm using a yearly chart and I see a setup on a yearly chart, I don't want to trade on the yearly chart alone. I want to see other time frame. This brings us to what we call a top-down trading method or a multiple time frame trading method. I do not use one time frame. So as a new trader, when I start trading first, I love the 3-minute chart. I stuck on the 3-minute chart. I don't want to know any other time frame. I survived it one way or another, but I lost a lot of money. My friend, if you have been losing, don't think that you are the worst trader, okay? So don't trade on a single time frame. So you want a 5-minute chart, don't stop on a 5-minute chart. Multiple time frame trading. What do I mean by that? We are looking for the setup on a specific higher time frame, all right? And we are looking for, now when we see the setup, we want to validate the setup. So we see the setup, for instance, on the daily chart. I will check the weekly chart, the monthly chart, the quarterly chart, even the yearly chart. I want to see the bigger picture. It makes sense? All right? If you're a new trader, just take it in. All right? If you disagree, as I say to you, but do not forget what I said, okay? So when we validate the setup, we are now looking for a signal. We can't take the signal on the setup time frame. It has to be a different time frame. So the signal time frame should be lower than the setup time frame. So if my setup is on a daily chart, I may use, for instance, the 30-minute or the hourly chart for my signal time frame. This is one example, okay? One example. So when the signal is fired, remember, I don't want my signal to be at the wrong place. Okay? Remember what I said already, okay? So signal should not be in the wrong place. The signal is at the right place. Now I don't buy or sell straight away because of the signal. The signal is not the entry. Now I want to assess the risk. Okay? That's why we're looking for entry point. What I meant by that is a low risk entry point. Sometimes, my friend, you may see a beautiful trade setup, a valid signal, but the risk can be high. Walk away. Walk away. All right? Walk away. Laugh loudly and walk away. Save your money in your bank and come back another day. So for the entry, I don't use one time frame. So I will enter the trade on one time frame. But for my entry, I'm processing, I'm looking at it because I'm now ready to enter the trade. So I can go, so if you are using an example for daily chart for my setup, using a higher time frame than a daily chart to validate my setup, then I'm looking for the signal, okay? Then I'm selecting, if I'm using a 3-minute chart for my entry point, I'm making sure that I'm not violating the market pattern on my entry time frame. I'm not violating the market pattern on my signal time frame. I'm not violating the market pattern on my setup time frame. It makes sense? So talking about the euro dollar, a Forex trader explaining his trading method here. So recently we see here. So we go to the let's go to the yearly chart, okay. If you don't have the yearly chart, so we can go to the monthly chart. So I highlighted this. You see this green channel here. See, this is the top of the channel. This is the lower part of the channel. So talking about market geometry, okay. If the price is out of a channel, we project that channel in the direction of the price. So what we have done, I don't want the video to be too long. We divided the green channel into two. You see here? So the half of the bigger channel brought us here. This will allow us to detect the overbought and oversold zone. So which give us this level here, 10852. Remember that? What I say to traders, priority to bullish signal above 10852 and priority to bearish signal below 10852. It's a key levels. So now let's go down. You see this on the yearly chart. But I want to show you, my friends, stay calm with me, okay? Stay with me because I want you to understand this. So what is the market pattern? So this is the biggest trading business. What is the market pattern now? the market pattern is what? Check it, draw the channel, okay? We are on a monthly chart. Use the monthly chart. See here? It's what? What is this channel? Look at the blue channel. Is it a rising channel? Is it a declining channel? Is it a horizontal channel? It's a declining channel. So when you see like this, it means that people are selling. Okay? So if we are buying, we know that there is a higher risk. So we must keep our eyes wide open without blinking. Okay? But look carefully, my friend. Some traders may not see it. Within that declining channel, we have another smaller channel here. Look here, my friend. Look carefully. Are you with me? Stay with me. Focus. You can do it, okay? We have a smaller channel, which is horizontal channel. All right. I'm going to change the color of it into pink to get your attention, to please the beautiful ladies. Ladies can trade very well. That's what I found out. If I'm going to open, okay, a trading company, has to be, okay, ladies. 70% will be ladies, okay? So now, I want to color into pink, okay, as I promised you. So pay attention to the pink channel that I'm drawing here. All right. The smaller pink. So within the declining channel, we have what? An horizontal channel. So how do we interpret that? So we may say that the long-term trend is bearish, but the medium trend is horizontal. Okay? So because the long-term trend is bearish, if we don't want to buy at all, we want to sell on the upper side of the channel, of the pink channel here. Because the long-term trend is bearish, but the medium trend is horizontal, we want to sell on the edge of the upper side of the pink channel. If you want to buy, which is a risky trade because the long-term trend is bearish, is at the lower part of the channel. So though we have the long-term trend, which is a bearish channel, we have a horizontal channel here. So if we are day trading and swing trading, we must pay attention to, okay, the pink channel right now. But we don't want to forget the bigger channel here. So you see now, I want to change my time frame now, okay? Remember this level here, 10852. So the market pattern is bearish, but there is a consolidation taking place within that bearish channel. So it may be a continuation taking place, but I doubt it. Okay, I doubt it for a euro. I don't want the video to be too long, so I don't want to go deeper into that. I just want to share with you, explain to you my trading method, my Forex trading method, okay? So now let's go to my favorite time frame. All right, we use the 2-hour chart. I love the 2-hour chart better than the 4-hour chart, okay? If you don't have the 2-hour chart, you can use the 4-hour chart. So on a 2-hour chart, what we don't want to violate. So my line that I draw, you see my pink channel that I've drawn on the monthly chart. See here on my 2-hour chart. Look here. Today we're selling on the upper side of the pink channel, yes or no? They sold it here, they sold it here, they sold it here, and here they sold it, here they sold it. These are smart traders. You see, they are not violent here. They buy it here. Yesterday, you see a double bottom here. You see, there was a double bottom yesterday here. Validation of this pink channel as a problem. So this is a trading setup. This double bottom is a trading setup on the 2-hour chart. So very often when traders see like this, they say it's a double bottom pattern, I must buy. But the mistake that they do is that they don't use a top-down trading method. So this is a trading setup. You see like this yesterday, double bottom. You go to the higher time frame, which we have done already. We know that this pink line is a key support, a key, okay, key levels, okay, on the monthly chart. Now we must use another time frame. So on the 2-hour chart, I may use 50-minute chart for my signal, and maybe use 5 minutes or 3 minutes for my entry. If the signal fails, we are out, which means the price will go below the pink line. But yesterday it went beautifully. So here we did not violate the market pattern because we know that the long-term trend is bearish and the medium-term trend is horizontal. So when the price is going up, you see, when it's going up, it comes here, people are selling. You see here they are selling on the upper side of the pink channel and they are buying on the lower part of the channel. Do not forget also the median line, okay, of a channel. Whenever you draw a channel, if you don't want to draw the median line of the channel, okay, just be aware of it. Be aware of it. Just know where is the median line. I want to show you something else, my friend. Because I want you to understand this carefully. So the first thing as a forex trader, so now we are on a, so let's go through this properly, okay? I'm getting a little bit excited. You can understand that. So the video is now 50 minutes. I don't want it to be too long. So we change time frame. You see, we change time frame on a 2-hour chart. So very often traders forget. It's not that they don't want to do it, or they're a little bit negligent, okay? So we change time frame. What do? We draw again the channel. We don't want to violate the market pattern on any time frame. So on the 2-hour chart, we come here. What is the market pattern? So I'm just drawing it roughly here. Okay, we have what? A declining channel again, yes or no? All right, my friend, let's color it in a different color, in green. So you may see it's the channel I'm talking about. So if I ask you now, what is the market pattern on a 2-hour chart? Is what? Is a declining channel. So it makes sense. The long-term trend is bearish, okay? On a 2-hour chart, we have also a bearish channel. You see how they are selling on the edge? But when you are selling at this, because this is a little bit tricky for new traders, because of the pink channel, which is horizontal, if you want to sell on the edge of this green channel, it makes more sense to be a little bit near the top of the pink channel. So you see here was not too bad because you were very close to it. But if you are selling here, be careful because it's quite far away from the top of the pink channel. All right. So remember again, I said to you also, whenever you draw a channel, don't forget or be aware of the median line. Okay, you see now? So on the 2-hour chart, you see, if I draw, I'll consider the blue. You see this blue line here that I just drawn? That's the median line. That's what the price went above it. It's now trying to retest it here. But so what do we need to do now? That's a very good question. You see now? So the price is in the declining channel. The long-term trend is bearish. The medium-term trend is, okay, a consolidation. If you want to buy, you don't want to buy anywhere, anyhow, be gentle. All right, let's go back again. So this is our monthly chart. So I was talking about the bigger green channel, okay? And we say to you that if the price is out of a channel, we project the channel in the direction of the price. But in this case, we divided our bigger channel into two, which is this one, and bringing us to the level of 10852. All right, right here. All right, but I want you now at this point in time. I can make my channel a little bit bigger, but I leave it as it is. All right, the concentration. If you are day trading or swing trading, be aware of the pink channel as we are now, we are seeing it here. That's the market pattern that is prevailing at the moment. It makes sense? So to summarize my trading method, my forex trading methods, all right, I do not want to violate the market pattern. So for instance, we went to the 2-hour chart, okay, we must draw the market pattern. If we want to buy, we want to buy at the support level. We want to sell at resistance level. So suppose now you're on a 2-hour chart, you are thinking to buy here. Where are the support level? There's one here. We are below it now. So here, there's support. So I will not like to buy here, to it there. If I want to buy, I would prefer to buy above this blue horizontal line because it's a support level. But if you buy here, be careful because there's a resistance right here. You don't want to buy in a resistance zone. Some traders are selling here because the price D below the blue horizontal line and retest it here. It makes more sense. And but there's a support which is the median line of the pink green channel. If I change time frame again, suppose now I decided to go to the 50-minute chart. I don't want to violate the market pattern. So what's happening on the 50-minute chart? You want to see the bigger picture. So we know that the long-term trend is what? It's bearish. We don't want to forget that. Otherwise, if you come on the 50-minute chart doing your own thing, you may, forget it. So far, the price found a support, run fast to this level. If you want to buy, we would prefer to buy above the level of, 10967. So on the 50-minute chart, what has happened, my friend? If we draw again Okay, the market, you see here, I'm drawing too many lines. That will allow you to focus a little bit. So let's remove some of them. Okay, I'll leave them like this. So, but this is my horizontal line. Okay, this is another blue line that I draw on the 2-hour chart. So now I draw another line here. My friends, stay focused, please. Stay focused, please. Color it now into pink channel again, so you can see it clearly. So the declining channel is your 50-minute chart. So it came out of the channel and ran away. So what do? Price out of the channel, should click now. Should click now, okay? If you are with us for some time now, it should click now. All right? Project the channel in the direction of the price. Don't be afraid to draw. You see how I'm drawing on my chart? Keep drawing. Keep drawing. Don't be afraid to draw. It's your chart. If you want to say to you, why are you drawing too much? Say it's my chart, okay? It's your chart. All right? So keep projecting the channel in the direction of the price. This will allow you to determine, okay, the hot spot trading zones. So here we are. All right, it makes sense. It makes sense. Whenever you want to buy, so do not violate the market pattern on any time frame. Any time frame. All right. You want to buy, the price should be in a rising channel, and you want to buy at a support level. Okay, on any time frame. Take bullish and bearish signal. If it's a bullish, must be in the support zone. Whenever you see a bullish signal, check whether it's at a support zone. Is it a solid support level? If it's not solid support level, you can stay away. Want to sell, set at okay, a viable resistance zone. Okay, very important. All right. Use a top-down trading method. Do not trade on a single time frame. Right now, a lot of traders are trading on the 50-minute chart, doing their own thing, or the 5-minute chart, doing their own thing. But maybe they don't know what's happening on the bigger time frame. All right? Where are we? Where are we going? And the bigger picture will tell you where are we and where we are going. And on the monthly chart, we know that, okay, this is a key level, 10852, priority to bullish signal. The key level, these are the market pattern on the monthly chart. This is what we want to trade. Take a beautiful signal at the key support and resistance level. All right, this is the end of this short video. I hope you have learned something from it and will put into use to improve your Forex trading. Number one, do not violate the market pattern. Number two, take bullish signal at the support level, resistance level, take sell signal at the resistance zones. All right, use a top-down trading method. You want to trade Forex, check first the euro-dollar currency pair. It's the leading currency pair. There are more to this, but for now, my friend, this is the first step, okay, in the right direction. This is about an ordinary Forex trader explaining his trading method. We are the TSTW24 traders, talking about an ordinary Forex trader explains his trading method. Happy trading to you all, and we will speak to you very soon. If you like this video, please give us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, please give us the thumbs down. But put a comment below why you disagree with us. If you love it, share it on Google+, and also on Twitter. If you are in love with us, or if you like what we are doing, feel free to subscribe to our channel. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders. Speak to you soon.